Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is exclusive to Honda car users. If you see a flashing battery warning in the cluster, don't be afraid. It is not related to your car's battery. It is the low power indication of your car's remote key. So, it is time to change the cell of the remote. I will show you the simple trick to open the remote. We don't want any tools like screwdriver to open it. Just insert the key in this gap and tilt slowly towards one side. Yes, now it is open and we can see the cell now. It's a coin cell battery. CR2032 is the number. We can use any company's battery like Duracell and Panasonic, but it should be of same number, that is CR2032. It's a common type of battery which is usually available in all supermarkets or electronic shops, and its price is just around 50 rupees. While inserting it into the slot, please make sure the positive side should face outside. We can see a flashing red light on the remote. Now it is ready to use. Let's try it. Yes, now the warning light got disappeared. If you feel my videos are helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.